Okay, I'm at Lena Altman's house in Greenwich. And the first thing we spoke about was putting in 2 stone pillars, rustic fieldstone pillars, similar to the same type of stone as what's on the wall. Okay, we have to figure out where the property line is via survey to be able to do that. So that's that. So 2 pillars, and then also need to run a trench for electrical, for line voltage electrical, to install light fixtures on top of the pillars. Okay. Then in here, we decided to keep the Lacoste, keep the holly, and then the landscape design estimates can be from here down to there. So it's roughly about 75 feet by 20 feet of plantings going through this area. Everything else will get ripped out. Want a very clean line design. Okay. We talked about landscape lighting. So probably end up using maybe 4 or 5 low voltage brass fixtures, path lights for the front walkway. Okay. Lena had mentioned also installing some line voltage fixtures attached to the house on either side of the door and also near the garage. So Jack, our electrician, could give her a quote for that. Then we talked about putting some uplights underneath this Japanese maple. So 2 or 3 uplights, they're called well lights underneath the Jap maple. Potential light, I would say 2 lights underneath this tree. Okay. Most likely I'm going to suggest installing a couple of trees in this bed, so probably 2 lights underneath those 2 trees. So 1 light and 1 light. Okay. Potentially 2 lights under the juniper tree. It's a juniper, also known as a cedar tree. Okay. And then potentially you might uplight at least 1 light underneath this tree as well, under this big tree. Okay, so this way you get a sense of depth. And then also I would, to kind of anchor the corner of the house, I would do 2 lights underneath that tree over there as well. All right. So that's it. I appreciate the opportunity. We'll chat soon.